Recycle scrap paper and make this! Start by cutting up scrap paper to create confetti using a rotary cutter or pair of scissors. Next, grab a serving tray and apply a layer of Mod Podge on the inside. Then, sprinkle the confetti onto the Mod Podge. After that, mix the resin using the directions on the back of the box. Then, pour the resin over the confetti on the tray. Next, distribute the resin evenly over the top to create a flat surface. Then, grab a straw and blow out all of the air bubbles in the resin. After the resin has dried, measure and attach handles to the tray. I hope this inspires you to transform an ordinary serving tray into this fun, colorful statement piece. Want to make this project? Here's what you'll need. A plain serving tray, some scrap paper, a rotary cutter or pair of scissors, some hard coat Mod Podge, a resin kit, a straw, a pair of handles, a drill, and a screwdriver. Thanks for watching Home Talk. See you in our next video.